Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDJPY analysis. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the strong uptrend, and now this this previous high is taken. So if you use the line right here, you see this has been wigged. Okay, so this TP is taken, I think last week, whenever. Okay, now we are going for this TP. So this will be taken. These are your 2 resistance. This one has been touched. Now you have to wait for it to break. If this R breaks, then this will be your next TP. Okay, so weekly we're bullish. Daily is 10, 10, 10. I don't think you will get. I don't think the price will fall until the EMA. 4 hour is right here. Okay, so 4 hour is key here, because if you get a bullish breakout, that's your entry. Okay, so come back to daily again. In daily, I think the down, this pullback is over, and we just have to wait for a bullish candle and then go long. Okay, so if next blue candle in daily closes above this previous blue candle, that will be your entry. Or coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour, if next blue candle eats this section, where is my, what we use, this is what circle, this is my circle. So if you see, let me how to use it, that's it. Okay, so if all these candles are eaten by next blue candle, then that's your long entry. Okay, because if I delete this 1 2, okay, so maybe all these 4 candles. Okay, so all these 4 5 candles needs to be eaten by the next blue candle. This high has to be broken. The moment this high is broken by the next blue candle, you enter long, and then you continue taking your TP from weekly time frame. Okay, that's it. Subscribe, like if that's not too much. I'll see you maybe, I don't know when.